I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a database. First, clearly define what data you need to store and how it will be used. This initial planning phase is crucial for success. Decide if a relational database like SQL or a non-relational one such as NoSQL best fits your project. Think about how much data you expect to handle, perhaps gigabytes or terabytes, and how many users will access it simultaneously. Also, prioritize security and any necessary compliance measures from the start. Next, select a specific database management system. Popular choices include MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or Cassandra. Your decision should weigh factors like how easily the system can grow with your data, its speed under heavy load, and the overall cost of ownership. A strong community and good documentation can save you many hours. Make sure your chosen system integrates smoothly with your current applications and infrastructure for a seamless setup. Once you've made your choice, install the database software on your designated server. This could be a physical machine, a virtual machine, or a cloud instance. During installation, you'll configure critical settings such as memory allocation, perhaps 8 gigabytes, and storage paths. Create initial user accounts with strong passwords and grant them only the necessary privileges. Finally, configure network access and firewall rules to ensure secure communication, typically on port 3306 for MySQL. The final steps involve designing your database schema, which includes defining tables, columns, and relationships. For example, you might have a users table linked to an orders table. Populate your database with some sample data, perhaps a few hundred records, to begin initial testing. Conduct performance tests to identify and optimize slow queries. Most importantly, establish robust backup and recovery procedures to protect your valuable data, ensuring daily or weekly backups are performed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.